In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a nested page in Notion. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to organize your pages more efficiently, this simple tutorial will guide you every step of the way. Let's dive right in, shall we? First things first, to create a nested page, you'll need to begin by opening a parent page in Notion. This parent page is essentially your main workspace or the primary document where everything will be housed. Think of it as a folder, if you will, and you're about to add a new subfolder within it. Open your Notion and find the page you've designated as the parent. If you're starting from scratch, create a new page and give it a title that captures the overall theme or project you're working on. Once you've opened your parent page, you'll want to add a nested page within it. This is where things get interactive. Simply type the /command /page right inside the parent page. As you type, you'll see a pop-up menu. Notion has a plethora of commands and shortcuts, but in this case, you'll want to choose Page from the list. It's like saying, hey, I want to create something new here. After selecting Page, press Enter. Voila! You're prompted to create a brand new page. Now that you've got your blank canvas, it's time to name your nested page. Give it a title that clearly reflects its content or purpose. Effectively naming your pages is super important for organization and ease of access, especially as your projects grow. For example, if your parent page is about a specific project, your nested page could relate to a particular aspect of that project, like research notes or task list. Naming it appropriately helps you or anyone else using the Notion page know exactly what to expect when clicking into it. Once your page is named, you're almost there. Simply click on the new nested page you've just created to access it. This action opens it up for you to start adding content. It's important to note here that each nested page you create is just as powerful as any